how to use the tablet. Ready to play with the tablet? Uh-oh, dirty hands. Make sure your hands are clean and dry. Press this button to turn on the tablet. Hold the tablet by its side. Use just one finger to touch the tablet. Many fingers will confuse the tablet. Use this part of your finger to touch the tablet. Touch the tablet, but not too hard or soft. You can try selecting some items. You can try touching and holding and moving some items too. Press these buttons to make sounds louder or softer. Press the same button to turn off the tablet when you are done. Have fun playing!